Yes, hello.
Yes, and good afternoon.
Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes. Yeah.
Is clear?
Yeah, clear. Yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah. And now we will wait for 1 minute, one more minute, okay? And then we will start.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Good morning, all participants. Welcome to the webinar on space planning by the renowned interior designer, Ms. Preeti Singhania. To begin with, let's have a brief introduction of our today's speaker, Ms. Preeti Singhania. Founder of Your Way Interior. She is a professional interior designer with an experience of over 10 years of successful projects on creating unique and modern interior design all over the world. She has also won an exclusive excellence award for interior designing category from Lifestyle magazines. So let's welcome the guest and speaker of today's session, very talented and versatile interior designer, Mr. Preeti Singhania. And we welcome you, Preeti ma'am, and thanking you for accepting our invitation as a guest speaker today. With your permission, I request you to kindly start with the session. Thank you.
Thank you, IDT College, for inviting me as a guest member. So, this is Preeti Singhania from Your Way Interiors. And today we are going to discuss on space planning, right? Everyone is able to hear my voice clear? Hello. Hello. Okay. So just I want to ask everyone, what is space? What do you mean by space? Anybody you can answer? Anybody? First, second, third year. All are combined batch, na? I think. Hello. Hello. Yes, empty place. Please, if you will, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes. Now,
So, students,
I
now
want
you
to see
all
everyone.
can.
I want to see everyone.
Yeah.
Please.
Now you all can
It's like a
unmute your
duck, like
mic.
a king. Please. Everyone switch on your videos, please. So we can able to interact. Nicely. Thank you. Good. Very good. Yes. Yes. Now those who want to answer, please raise your hands. What is space? एक स्पेस नाम लेकर क्या आपके दिमाग में आता है, तुरंत क्लिक क्या करता है अगर अपन स्पेस अपन करना सोचते हैं? स्पेस,
Area
what
which
is space?
we can fill with something.
Which can
Fill with something
louder,
like we
louder.
can put something. We can put something into that.
We can put something, right?
Yeah. Yes.
That is space. Anyone else? What is space? Only first year students are there, or second year, third year also? Nobody has learned about space up till now.
area around us in machinery जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे कोई वॉल हो मतलब एक स्मॉल बॉक्स समझ ले तो उसके अंदर जो स्पेस है उसको एक वॉल्यूम को बोल सकते हैं स्पेस
हाँ करेक्ट है. दिस इज कोई भी वॉल्यूम एक लाइन से कंबाइन करके कोई भी वॉल्यूम को अपन एक स्पेस बोलते हैं. जैसे इंटीरियर से अपन रिलेटेड करते हैं तो अपने कहेंगे कि मेशनरी वॉल से जो अपने कोई भी बॉक्स करते हैं अपने वॉल्यूम, तो दैट इज अ स्पेस. अब ग्लास लेते हैं तो ग्लास के शेप में एक स्पेस हो जाती है, whether it is empty, whether it is fill up, लेकिन आप एक स्पेस बोलोगे कि हाँ it is empty with the air, it is filled with the water. कोई भी एक स्पेस. स्पेस मीन्स कोई भी चीज से कहीं पर, जैसे कि मैं कहीं पर भी कोई सामान रख रही हूँ तो आई एम ऑक्यूपाइंग दिस स्पेस, राइट. तो ये चीज एकदम सही बोली आपने कि वॉल्यूम, यू कैन डिस्क्राइब अ स्पेस लाइक अ वॉल्यूम. और कोई डिफाइन करेगा स्पेस को? इंटरेक्शन में जब मजा आता है जब सामने वाला भी इंसान दिखता है, तो मुझे जब भी मजा आएगा तब मैं किसी को देख पाऊंगी. मैं ऐसे अकेले ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ. आई विल नॉट स्टार्ट अप माई क्लास. यस, क्योंकि अपन को नींद नहीं लेनी है, अपने यहाँ पे सीखने के लिए बैठे. तो एटलीस्ट आई वांट टू सी हु इज पेइंग अटेंशन ओवर हियर, राइट. और स्पेस को एक जन ने बोला मैशनरी वॉल के जो भी अंदर अपने क्रिएट करते हैं दैट इज अ स्पेस, राइट. एंड स्पेस अभी क्या चीज है? हाउ यू कैन डिस्क्राइब स्पेस अगेन? अपन एक पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव स्पेस भी होती है. व्हाट इज पॉजिटिव स्पेस एंड व्हाट इज नेगेटिव स्पेस?
मैम गुड आफ्टरनून. पॉजिटिव स्पेस मींस जो स्पेस में हमने काम कर रखा है दैट इज पॉजिटिव स्पेस. जो स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई कर रखा है दैट इज पॉजिटिव स्पेस, एंड जिसको ऑक्यूपाई नहीं कर रखा दैट कैन बी टर्म्ड एज नेगेटिव स्पेस.
वेरी गुड. एनीबॉडी एल्स?
हेलो
यस.
मैम, मेरे हिसाब से जो वॉल्यूम में हम काम कर रहे हैं उसके अंदर का जो पार्ट होता है वो पॉजिटिव, और उसके बाहर की जो सराउंडिंग होती है वो नेगेटिव.
राइट. और कोई? अपने ये कहेंगे एवरी स्पेस इज डिफरेंट. एवरी स्पेस इज डिफरेंट मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड्स, रिक्वायरमेंट्स. कोई भी चीज अपने एक जैसे मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज देना चाहूंगी. आई एम नॉट अ टीचर और लेक्चरर लाइक दैट. जो मैं प्रैक्टिकल में यूज करूँ, राइट. वेन एवर वी आर गेटिंग द साइट, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एलिमेंट होता है स्पेस. जब आप स्पेस प्लानिंग करोगे उसके बाद ही आपके रिक्वायरमेंट्स के हिसाब से, आप सपोज आप टीचर हो, अदरवाइज आप कोई मीन्स कोई सैलून आप डिजाइन कर रहे हो, या कोई होटल डिजाइन कर रहे हो, या रेसिडेंशियल डिजाइन कर रहे हो, या फिर कमर्शियल डिजाइन कर रहे हो. तो एवरी मोमेंट आपका है ना रिक्वायरमेंट्स चेंज होते हैं, और एवरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स के हिसाब से आपकी प्लानिंग होती है. क्योंकि आपके जो टीचर को चाहिएगी वो अलग स्पेस चाहिए, उनको ब्लैक बोर्ड चाहिएगा, उनको एक सिटिंग प्लेस चाहिएगी, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए चाहिएगा. सो दैट इज एवरी ईच एंड एवरी जॉब को भी हर एक स्पेस को अलग अलग रिक्वायरमेंट्स के हिसाब से डिजाइनिंग करनी होती है. जैसे हमने एक सैलून डिजाइन किया, राइट. अब उसमें क्या है कि एक अपने को सैलून की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है? एनीबडी?
यस मैम.
सैलून की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है? एक पार्लर अगर आप डिजाइन करोगे तो क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होगी? एक बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स.
Installation of chairs, and then mirror installation, and that accessories of that barber, whatever the accessories he is going to use, and it is to be properly managed, plus area where he will be washing hairs, waste management area. So this is how it has been planned, a basic professional parlor.
तो यहाँ पे स्पेस आपकी कैसे काम आएगी? हाउ विल डिफाइन स्पेस इन दिस पार्लर?
Ma'am, didn't get it. What you said?
स्पेस को आप कैसे, जैसे कि मैं एक एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ कि मैंने है ना स्पेस प्लानिंग में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे कि मैंने अगर पार्लर लिया, जस्ट see, maybe it's able to see, able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is I am making a machinery room, right? So I am giving this reception area. This is a wet area. This is the chair area where everybody is going to sit and have their things. And this is the massage parlor here. And here the wash area kind of, right? So I am specifying the space. Okay, this is the entrance. This is the time. So first of all, we are defining the space with the bubble diagram. Okay, what will come when we enter? Then afterwards, we'll go to the reception. Then we'll go to the massage room. Then we'll go to just like that, right? Whenever you design, first you will design the requirements. Okay, what is your requirements? And then afterwards, you will define the space here. So according to the functions, the space is designed. So the most important thing is space planning over here, because it is according to your needs, according to your requirements functionally, and then it is put it over here. So how much the standard size it will need, so this kind of thing. So space is required over here. Sorry. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
जो जिसका है ना, मैं जैसे कि अपने कोई होटल डिजाइन करते हैं या सैलून डिजाइन करते हैं या रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स डिजाइन करते हैं, हर एक की अलग अलग है ना, मिस उसकी है ना रहती रिक्वायरमेंट्स, उसके फंक्शंस अलग अलग रहते हैं, उसके मूवमेंट स्पेस अलग रहती है। अब यहाँ पर एक सर्कुलेशन स्पेस आ जाती है, और पॉजिटिव स्पेस क्या होती है, जो आपकी फर्नीचर से ऑक्यूपाइड जोन। आर्किटेक्चर कैसे होता है, जैसे आपने रेजिडेंशियल स्पेस किया तो उसके अंदर आपके एक बेडरूम का स्पेस निकल गया, एक किचन का स्पेस निकल गया, एक टॉयलेट का स्पेस निकल गया, तो दैट यू आर डिवाइडिंग द स्पेस, राइट? और उसके हिसाब से आप है ना सर्कुलेशन स्पेस डिवाइड करते हो। आपका अब एक स्मॉल रूम ले लो एक तरह से एग्जांपल के तौर पे, उसके अंदर रूम के अंदर क्या होता है, क्या फर्नीचर बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स रूम की क्या होती है? एनीबॉडी? बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ द रूम?
Bed, wardrobe, and side table.
राइट, राइट,
Dressing table.
right? So one is bed, one is dressing table, third is wardrobe. Anything else?
Shelf.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear.
Shelf.
Shelf. She is
Huh?
telling about shelf.
Shelf. Shelf of what?
Like consider as a wardrobe only.
Consider as a wardrobe. Okay, fine. Go ahead. Only three things.
Side
Your room is
table,
completed.
side
Side
table,
Right, right.
Study table.
Four things.
study table.
These are the
Study
secondary.
table is optional, right?
Like
Anybody?
secondary
It
things
is
are
not
there.
a basic requirement, right? Again, so wardrobe, bed, side tables, and one is what's this? Dressing,
Dressing table.
Dressing.
right? Only four things here, not other. Something you're missing or not?
Maybe.
PV unit.
Light for each function, ma'am, especially the reading light if you're going to read at night. Light.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear your voice. Please say
Light,
again.
ma'am, light.
Light.
Bedside lights, yes.
Okay. That is the second
Ma'am,
step. Light
PV
will also
units.
come in the space. I don't think anybody needs a TV space also for entertainment. No,
Yes, ma'am. But
bedroom.
not everyone
You're not
people like
planning
a
a TV unit
music
over
thing.
there. Huh?
Ma'am,
No,
you said TV, right? But not everyone prefer TV unit in their bedroom.
80-90%, 90 not 99%, I can say in my projects, everybody is demanding for the point. Whether they are keeping or not, that is the secondary thing, but they are demanding for the point. So naturally, I have to place the space over there for the T, right? So that is occupying the space, right? We are talking about the space, whether it is occupied or not,
Okay.
right? So these are the 5 basic things. This TV unit is the, this you can say 80-20. 100%, just now, up till now, I am using it. 100% I am giving it. I don't know about yours, but I am giving it because everybody is asking. We are not going to give, but give a point to us. Give a plan to us because we have to, because sometimes we have to keep the speakers or some this related to the TV. We have to use the everything, whatever they want to give, right? So one plan we have to give over there. So this is the requirement of a basic room, I can say, because otherwise you have many things. Then anybody is asking for the study table, anybody is asking for the relaxing chair. Everybody is, if you are having a huge room, then you are having a sitting, personal sitting, talking chairs, right? So like that you are describing a space in various things. Miss, as your needs increases, your space decreases. As your needs increases, your space decreases. So space is a very important role in the interior designing. Okay, whenever you keep something, if I am doing say, so in every room, each and every room, just a minute. So let us discuss the space residential area, right? Everybody is able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here what you have used, you have given a different space for the toilet, for the bedroom, for the kitchen, entrance, is a living room, right? So whatever you are seeing is negative space. You are able to see negative space, circulation space,
Yeah, empty space.
right? This is the negative space we are calling it. Where the furniture you are keeping, that is a positive. This is the positive. You are occupying the space. So this is the positive space. And this is the negative. The circulation space, that is a negative space. Right? Okay. So space is a main factor in our thing. Every space is different. The purpose of each building is different. For instance, a cafe, a living room serve different purposes. Right? We have seen the circulation space and we are having the 7 elements in our interior designing. Right? Which are they? 7 elements in the interior designing. Anybody? 7 elements in interior designing. Anybody can answer?
Point, line, shape, form.
Point.
Point.
Color, form, space, texture, pattern,
Yeah.
line, and light.
Good, good.
Line, shape, color, value, texture, shape, form.
वही सब.
What is the basic thing in this? What is the basic thing in this 7 elements?
Color, form, space,
Color is the basic thing.
texture,
Form is the
Pat-
basic thing.
pattern, line, and light.
Point.
Light is the basic thing. Anybody else?
Line, ma'am.
Line.
Point.
You can say, but I am focus on something else.
Space,
Yes, space. Space is the basic focus because until and until we not get the space, how can you design further? There is no light, there is no texture, there is nothing, right? So specific space you need it for the designing, and that is the main thing. That is the first focus, space. Then afterwards it is the texture, light and color and patterns and furnishings, all that, right? We have talked about the positive and negative space. We have talked about the circulation space. We have talked about the various needs, including the space. It depends on your job, service, whatever you are giving this commercials, that is you are having the textiles, that will be a different space because you need different storages over there. What is the storages? Empty storages, empty space, the dead storages. Means you want it in a long time. You can say that Malia had, we are dumping over that dumping station, right? So you are occupying the space over there, right? So how many places are there like that? So one example I am giving you below the
Attic space,
staircase.
ma'am.
If you are, yes, yes.
The attic.
Sorry, your voice is not clear, ma'am.
Attic, ma'am. The attic where we store things.
Right. Second,
showroom for special design
yes,
for
storeroom
storing
is
goods.
a very big, you can say a very big topic. We can talk about this. Storeroom where you can store the things, where you will get the space, dead space, where you can store the things, dead space. I'm talking about the dead space now.
Overheads.
Yeah, overhead cabinets, right? So we are dumping the things whenever it is not used frequently over there, right? Overhead cabinets, we are using that space. For that space, we are using the dumping things like that. So in this monthly or 2 months, we are using that thing. Agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right. So one is the overhead cabinet. Secondly, where you are getting the dead space for the storage,
Below the stairs.
right? Below the stairs. Good, very good. Overhead cabinets, below the stairs.
Under the bed.
So below the bed.
Bed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically in
Okay,
regular
right.
houses.
Right, absolutely right.
But nowadays people are making their beds in the like for the storage purpose. Like they put the batches in the under storage bed.
Yes. That is very पुराना concept सदियों से चला आ रहा है, right? बेड के नीचे रखना and
वो तो आदत है हमारे इंडियंस की.
right? Again, pardon?
वो तो आदत है हमारे इंडियंस की.
Yes, Indians की बहुत सारी आदतें हैं. मैं तो कहूँगी एक तरह से यूटिलिटी के लिए अपना एक I can say dumping station. ठीक है, कभी कोई गेस्ट आते हैं, वी आर यूजिंग दैट स्पेस फॉर द डंपिंग। अभी आज पार्टी होगी, रात को बर्तन नहीं कसना है, जस्ट क्लोज द डोर एंड होव गार्बेज ओवर देयर, राइट? एवरीबडी एग्रीज और नॉट? ये सब बर्तन वहाँ पे रख दिए रात को मम्मा ने, एंड मॉर्निंग दे आर गोइंग टू क्लीन अप।
Yes.
For the maids, they are keeping that stuff. That room is for the maids. You can say like that, in short. Utility wash area. Agree or not? This systematically they are designing it. Lekin, whenever I go somewhere else for the party and all that, and afterwards we see, oh my God, that is a dumping station. All the vessels, utensils, and all the things, garbages and all the packets and all that, you're keeping over there and you're just shutting the door. इसीलिए utility area and washroom we are giving here in the Indians. बाकी foreign system में utility wash area system ही नहीं है वहाँ पे, because they doesn't need that untidy place over there. लेकिन we need it, so we can shut the door. We are giving that space. We are giving that space for that thing. कभी आपने देखा है वहां पर गार्डनिंग करते हुए, या कहीं आपने देखा है कि वो स्पेस कोई और चीज के लिए यूटिलिटी होती है? अपनी क्या आदत है हमेशा कि वॉश एरिया अपन किस लिए यूज करते हैं? कितने जन के यहाँ पे वॉश एरिया है? आई थिंक सो 101%। उसके यही भी लगता है किसी ने अपने हाथ में ऊंचा किया। हाँ है। एंड हाउ यू आर यूजिंग दैट स्पेस ओवर देयर। आज अपन वॉश एरिया पे डिस्कशन करते हैं, हाउ वी आर यूजिंग दैट स्पेस ओवर देयर।
We are putting
कभी आपने
washing
इमेजिन
machine
किया मैं क्या क्या कर रही हूँ? वॉशिंग मशीन, राइट?
On.
and for utensils also.
और क्या? Utensils also, right?
और क्लीनिंग का जो भी होता है वो वहां पे रखते हैं, जैसे
Right. As a store of the cleaning vessels and all that things. Since brooms and all that, wiper, mop, right? Good. वो तो मेरे ख्याल से we can have a small cupboard and we can have a as we need that much space 5x4 or something like that. It is necessary. That only I am asking you. It is necessary to give a dump station in our place. We are paying for it. We are buying that place and we are using it as a dumping station. It is good. It is good. You are the upcoming interior designers, huh? So I am asking for it. It is good. We are spending our money in that thing, and we are our space we are utilizing as a wash area, and using as a afterwards we are using as a dumping station. Means whatever it's come, this theli ka bunch hai, dustbin hai, just keep it over there whenever a party, and we are just locking our doors. So only it is for this washing machine and utensils only, right? I can say that. Only washing machine and utensils, we are using that for a 5x4 place. I am calling that a space of maid room. Servant's room. It is not for sleeping, but it is for dumping and sitting for doing things. In foreigners, they doesn't allow that space to, Miss, you can say, kharab nahi kar rahe space because they value their space. So we as a designer should value our space. That is my main thing. We should value and focus on space. Each inch cost means एक इंच की वैल्यू होती है। जब हम लोग दीवार बनाते हैं यार, making it अगर मैं बोलती बाहर से अपन we are giving it the planks and all that. In the bathrooms में आपने देखा होगा shelves we are giving it for the keeping the things and all that, right? Walls पे. But in my project I'm not doing that. I am carving the walls because you are having the borders of 2 inches to 3 inches, not more than that. Shampoo bottles and all that. You're keeping. You're going to keep all these things over there, right? Soap bag, conditioners bag, your cleaning and whatever you're using it for and all that, right? So I think so this 3.5 you doesn't need a mold for small things. So I'm carving the walls up to 2 inches because we are having the 4.5 thickness of wall. So we are giving a niche under it and we are making a space from that. So it doesn't need maintenance. It doesn't need you can say the rough and tough kind of storage I'm giving it. And it is safe also because it is under the wall. So space, I'm telling you about the space. You should make a space and you should not waste the inch of space. Every inch matters. I've seen many designings in Mumbai also, and मेरा एक प्रोजेक्ट आया था एक लैब का. उसके अंदर क्या बोलते हैं, उन्होंने क्या किया था कि मिस उन्होंने जैसे उनको एक बैक साइड में आरओ वाटर का प्लान चाहिए था. लैब के अंदर वाटर प्लानिंग का उसके अंदर काफी प्रोसेस रहता है. तो उसके अंदर उन्होंने 5 बाई 6 की उन्होंने जस्ट दे हैव विजिटेड द प्लेस लाइक दैट. उन्होंने कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में उन्होंने दिया होगा 5 से 6 की सिटिंग लाइक दैट. सो मींस ऐसे करके उन्होंने बॉम्बे के डिजाइनर्स ने इन्होंने इतना मुझे करके दिया था. तो मैंने आई हैव सीन दैट थिंग एंड मैंने कहा कि ये बड़ी काफी चीजें स्पेस यहाँ पे वेस्ट हो रही है बिकॉज वी कैन हैव अ 7 वीडियो. हम लोग ने उसके अंदर मिशनरी करा के मेजनाइन फ्लोर बनाया था. आपको देखना है तो यू कैन सी टच लैब है उसका नाम. वी हैव डिजाइन इट Xenon में. तो उसके अंदर क्या है कि वी हैव प्लान्ड हम लोग ने चेंजेस किए उसके अंदर प्लानिंग के अंदर एंड वी हैव टेक 8 to 9 members can sit in the conference meeting hall and पीछे बैक साइड में उन्होंने जो है ना आरओ वाटर के लिए प्लेस 6 by 5 की टैंक आती है. लेकिन दैट वी हैव वर्कड ऑन दैट के अपने कितने छोटे छोटे स्पेस में बिकॉज दैट इज अ नॉन लिविंग राइट. You can adjust it like मिस्टर आपको ना स्टोर डेड स्पेसेस. उसके अंदर अपने डेड स्पेसेस में हम लोग ने वर्किंग काफी वी हैव टेकन 1 month फॉर दैट थिंग ओनली टू प्लान. तो जब आपका स्पेस अच्छे से डिजाइन होगा ऑटोमेटिकली फंक्शनली होगा. इसके अगर मैंने बहुत सुंदर करना डिजाइन कर दिया लेकिन अगर मेरे को बार बार में लग रही है उसके पॉइंटिंग की एंड व्हेन आर मूविंग पता है मूवमेंट अगर सेफ नहीं होगी आपकी चीजें अगर सही से है ना डिस्प्ले नहीं होगी तो दैट विल बी इफेक्ट होगा कहीं. तो वो चीज क्या होता है मन से फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकलता है यार हर टाइम यहाँ से जाती हूँ तो मुझे ये चीज लगती है कि आपके मूवमेंट सर्कुलेशन स्पेस वाज नॉट गुड. यू हैव प्लेस्ड थिंग्स इन द रॉन्ग मैनर. You have not shaped it very well, right? So these are the things. The space is a very important role in the interior designing. तो कभी-कभी अपनी जो अपन क्या बोलते हैं बहुत अच्छी जो डिजाइन्स होते हैं बेड्स के they are harmful to us because when you are moving मैं हमेशा इसलिए जो भी मेरी इंटर्नशिप आता है जो भी मेरे असिस्टेंट्स है हमेशा उनको लोगों को मूव करके दिखाते हैं. You can move easily, you can straight your hands, you can sit well, you can stand well. हमेशा प्रैक्टिकल करके देखो. कभी भी कोई भी चीज प्लानिंग करो आप उसी चीज के अंदर घुस जाओ कि जैसे कि आपने एक सैलून आप डिजाइन करो तो आप खुद ही क्या नाम है उसके ओनर बन जाओ. जब तक आप अपने पैशन से प्यार नहीं करोगे जब तक आप वो खुद महसूस नहीं करोगे जब तक आप अंदर आप डीपली उसके अंदर तक जाके मैं 1-2 दिन तक उनको वॉच भी करती हूँ कि उनकी क्या मूवमेंट्स है उनकी सर्कुलेशन स्पेस क्या वेयर है दे नीडेड अस. वो अपने को क्यों करते हैं बिकॉज़ समटाइम्स दे फॉरगेट टू कि हम लोग को क्या चीज नेसेसरी है. जैसे समटाइम्स एंट्रेंस फॉयर में अपने को शू रैक नेसेसरी है. So we have to compulsory we have to give the space over there for the shoe rack. तो अगर मैंने शू रैक वहां पे नहीं दिया तो आई एम नॉट डिफाइनिंग माय स्पेस ओवर देयर राइट. तो हर एक चीज की हर एक मूवमेंट की हर एक चीज की जगह होती है दैट इज स्पेस. यू आर डिफाइनिंग द स्पेस. जब आप स्पेस करते हो जैसे हम लोग ने वहां पर भी ऐसे किया था हम लोग डेड स्पेस वहां पे ढूंढने लगे. डेड स्पेस इन द सेंस हम लोग तो बीच में है ना मैशनरी सीलिंग बनाई थी उसके अंदर मेजनाइन में हम लोग को स्पेस मिल रही थी ऊपर की तरफ और वहां पे विंडो के ऊपर हम लोग को वी आर गेटिंग दैट 1 feet लाइक दैट. तो वी हैव टेकन दैट आरओ सिस्टम ओवर देयर कि अपने को ये प्लेस मिल रही है वी आर एबल टू स्टैंड 5 to 6 feet राइट. तो we just like we are comfortable standing also then we have given that space and we have taken एक फैक्ट्री over there और वहाँ पर एक cabin we are creating. So likewise we are expecting from you also. मैं expect कर रही हूँ कि जो आपकी space होगी वो जो चीज अब dead thing है और जो चीज यूज होने में नहीं आने वाली है, तो स्पेस जब प्लानिंग करते हो तो वो चीज दिमाग में रखो कि आपको क्या चीज के लिए अपने को देना है, अपने को स्पेस है ना खराब नहीं करना, बिकॉज यू आर पेइंग फॉर दैट। आजकल तो कट ऑफ मिलता है जब आप कोई भी चीज लेते हो तो 50%, आजकल पहले 40 था 45 और 50% जैसा कट ऑफ मिलता है। अब 50% में भी अपन ने अगर स्पेस को अगर जैसे अपने जैसे यहाँ पे सिंटेक्स की टंकी रख दिया एंड स्पेस है ना आई हैव गिवन लाइक दैट ओनली, तो वेस्टेज ऑफ स्पेस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। 50% में भी मैं 10% मैंने खराब कर दी, स्टोर रूम में कर दी। अब और भी चीजें हैं जैसे कि थिकनेस की स्टोरेज जो नहीं के नहीं है, अगर स्पेशियस बतानी है स्पेस को तो अपने को सारा स्टोरेजेस कहाँ पे अवेलेबल है वो अपने को देखना है, इसके अपने को डेड स्पेस कौन सी है वहाँ पे स्टोरेजेस देने की कोशिश करनी है। कभी कभी क्या होता है कि कॉलम्स और उसके बीच में यार हैविंग द 5 इंचेस स्पेस, राइट, यार हैविंग दैट, कभी कभी लोग खांचा नहीं होता है, लेकिन दैट्स इट, आई शुड ड्रॉ फॉर यू। See, sometimes we are having that thing. So here it is the space. This is the column. This is a brick wall. Right? Able to see? This is the column. And this is the brick wall. Right? Now able to see? This column I am seeing. This is the column. And this is a brick wall. I am showing you the plan. Right? And this space you are having sometimes 3 inches to 5 inches, like that. Right? So you some are there, they're wasting this space and giving the panels like this for a beautiful look, aesthetic purpose. Lekin what about this place, man? What about this space? We are just wasting the space 3 to 4 inches like that. So what we are doing it for the 6 inches, because we are having this many storages of a dressing table. I have the many sizes where I have given the dressing tables like this. I have created the sliding doors, mirror sliding, and I have created a storage over here. I have used that space for the dressing table. Sliding doors. Somewhere I am using for this clothes hanging. Miss, each and every inch cost matters. Right? Agree?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, absolutely.
Yes. So I'm saying that so not a single inch we should waste it, and we should pay attention on what we are designing it and what are the requirements. मेरा एक ही फोकस रहता है whenever I am designing it कि कैसे मैं स्पेशियस दिखाऊं, क्योंकि मूवमेंट स्पेस कितनी लाइटनेस दिखाऊं। ऐसा फर्नीचर मुझे ऐसा डिजाइन करना चाहिए कि लाइटनेस भी होनी चाहिए। लाइटनेस के ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ज्यादा मैंने पैनलिंग कर दी या बहुत ज्यादा चीज मैंने है ना एफर्ट कर दी तो भर पैसे भर दो फर्नीचर। समटाइम्स दैट स्पेस आल्सो इज वेरी मतलब इफेक्टिव नहीं होती है। अभी किसी को फील हुआ है कि बहुत सारे फर्नीचर्स हैं अपने सराउंडिंग्स एंड वी आर एंटरिंग दैट रूम, इट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, लेकिन समटाइम्स यू सी इट फॉर आवर और 2 आवर्स, इट इज लाइक अ हेडेक कि बहुत सारे पंछी यार ऐसे लगता है हो रहे हैं, कैबिनेट भी सर पे आ रहे हैं, यहाँ पे जाओ तो ये चीज टकरा रही है, सारी नीड्स अपने फुलफिल कर दी कि अपना स्पेस अरेंजमेंट अच्छा नहीं है, अपने सही जगह पे सही चीजें नहीं रखी। समटाइम्स corner table is not good, sometimes the corners of the bed is not good, right? तो ये सब छोटे छोटे स्मॉल पॉइंट्स हैं, it is you can say the focus point.
You know the feel alone.
क्या चीज Who is there? Should I stop it? Should I stop it?
No, ma'am.
If not interested, then stop.
Bhumi, mute your mic.
Who is that? Good discipline.
Vijay.
Good discipline. IDT students, good discipline. I'm impressed. Singing a song and all that things, right? Should I stop it? See, I have also many classes. I have so many work. My site is going on.
No, ma'am, you
I
can
don't
continue.
want to waste my time over here. I think so you are not interested in learning. I think so. IDT students are not interested in learning. We are gathered over for a joke. This is your manners? Your college students or your kids of first or nursery? Nobody knows nothing. Having a funny things, right? Should I continue or leave?
We are extremely sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. Continue, please.
Continue. So you're distracted. What we have discussed up till now? Anybody will repeat? So I
we have
can
discussed.
see
We
what
have to use the space effectively. We should not we should use every inch of the space that is given and not use any we should not give way to any dead space in the space given. You have to use every inch of the space effectively.
good, very good. Anybody else?
And
Yeah.
also every nook and corner of any space is an opportunity for us to design better. As you have shown us behind the as the dressing unit.
Only two of them are attending the class. Nobody is answering and video is switched off. Only two of them are attending the class. No one is answering.
Yeah, ma'am. We have discussed up till now what is space, positive space, negative space, the furniture, the space which is occupied. मतलब brief में ये सब discuss किया है. I'm just telling the topics, and how to use dead space effectively. That is the thing you taught us. How to use dead space creatively. Yeah, this is the things I feel.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, elements of design, dead space and its usage areas, definition of space,
Yes, Sagar.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, we started with the definition of space. Then we understood what is positive space, negative space. Uh,
Right.
then the most important thing I feel is you taught us how to use dead space, and according to our habits, using utility spaces under stairs, overhead cabinets, and you showed us that how can we use the space where the offset is coming, column and wall के बीच में जब offset आता है तो how you use you are inculcating that in us. Yeah.
One more topic we have discussed about the circulation space also.
Yeah, circulation. Yeah, that.
Right. Okay. So you can define the space by giving with different elements. Say somewhere this space means the owner is of this thing. It's the textile space. We will design for the textiles. You will have some garments or something like that, or you will create some mirrors of garments, something like that. So that defines that space defines as a textiles market or something like that, right? So your space defines the value of the customers, value of the owners, right? तो जैसे कि अपने सैलून के बारे में बात किया, अपने होटल्स हैं, schools हैं, hospitals हैं, तो every space has a different unique ideas according to that thing. कि किसको क्या कितनी नीटनेस चाहिए. अभी जो चीज़ें अपन मोस्ट ऑफ ब्लू एंड वाइट अपन मोस्ट ऑफ अगर अपने हॉस्पिटल डिजाइन करेंगे तो हर टाइम वी आर creating that kind of space over there because it should be peace and silence like it, right? तो कैसे अपनी डार्कनेस स्पेस की अपन डार्कनेस कहाँ पे आती है, पार्किंग स्पेस अपन कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं. तो स्पेस इज अ such a big volume. See, everything is depend on that thing. And how you will describe a space? अगर मैं आपको एक स्पेस देती हूँ तो उसमें आप क्या चीज़ है ना हमें डिस्क्राइब करोगे कि ये स्पेस में जो कैसे डिजाइन करनी है. जैसे आई एम गिविंग अ टेक्सटाइल्स आपने एक एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं. एक अपने टेक्सटाइल मार्केट के हमने अंदर अपने को डिजाइन करना है. तो हाउ वी स्टार्टेड? आई एम योर क्लाइंट, राइट? हाउ वी स्टार्टेड?
First of all, can I answer, ma'am? I didn't raise the hand.
Sure.
Yeah.
Go on.
First,
Only one I am teaching you. Nobody is else or interested in this, right? So I am knowing your name, Sarthak, right? Good going. And you have covered all the topics also.
yeah, ma'am. First of all, I would ask about your requirements and what are your requirements, the main thing, and from that I'll draw a bubble diagram of requirements and then I'll plan the space accordingly. And as you told कि जैसे आपने बताया था कि आप सलून को एग्जामाइन करोगे बिफोर प्लानिंग इट कि हाउ आर दे यूजिंग द प्रीवियस प्लेस जिसको रीडिजाइन करना है. आप उसको बहुत अच्छे से देखोगे कि व्हाट आर द छोटी छोटी हैबिट्स क्या है जो उनको मतलब जिसके अकॉर्डिंग हमको डिजाइन करना है.
Right.
So yeah, ma'am, that's it.
Ma'am, can I add
So
one more
may I
to that?
Sure.
Ma'am, I will also see how the office functions in the generally, how the workflow takes place from one place to another, a space, how it flows. Whether sorry, ma'am.
Office place.
The whatever the textile, ma'am, how the office functions in general, from where to where the things, the materials are carried, and I will see how the textile thing functions, so that there's easy workflow around the spaces, so that we can plan the space accordingly.
Right. So, as a client, I am giving you the requirement.
Okay, ma'am.
I need a storages. I need a account table. I need my own cabinet. I need where the parcels are going to come and dispatch over there. And I need a storage place.
This way, the any common textile office is working. We have designed many projects in Raghupur Market, JD Market, Silk Heritage. So these are the basic requirements, ma'am. And they are having the small space for the puja. And even they are including somewhere, if they are having the big place, they are having a small pantry also. So in the and if you are having the 14 feet height, we are getting a mezzanine floor over there.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
a doubt. Like, what if the textile company is also like producing the textiles on the same space? Like, should we like we are designing based on how many workers are there in the office?
See, my clients, they are sitting at least from morning 10 to night 10. They are sitting over there. And owners, he's having their cabin, accountant's cabin is there. Then again, they are having the storages where the workers are working over there. When these 2, 3 workers are there, they are having the pantry place also. That one, because tea and coffee can be made.
Sorry. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, audible.
Sorry for interrupting. Okay. So we have designed the, first of all, we have designed the entrance. Entrance in that we have given the whole, this is a passage kind of thing they have given it. This way, in whole, when you are entering the place, you are able to see the main cabin, you are able to see the accountant's cabin, and you are able to see the work is going on, right? So 3 cabins we have given the fully line. Means when you are entering, you are able to see everything. And the owner is also able to see the main gate. My vision was that he is able to see whenever he is alone, he can hold the things. A single person can also hold the things. Who is coming over there? Who is getting inside? Who is talking the accountants? Who is going to the go down area? So everything should be watched, right? You can vision all these things at the same place by sitting at one place. So this kind of planning we have done it over there. And we have panels. We have used the panels that the column place for the wiring purposes and all these things. So each and every column place we have space we have used for the either the small units, like 2, 3 inches of what I have told you before also. Small things we can keep it over there. I have never wasted that 3 to 4 inches space. Sometimes we have used for the switchboard panels. Sometimes we have used for the wiring purposes. And sometimes we have used for the, if we are having that corner, because many of them, they believe in the Vastu. So according to that, if we are getting that space, so we are creating a small puja room over there. Because 3 to 4 inches we need it, and we can have a shelves over there, and we can keep the frames over there. Okay. Just now I'm not able to show you because my computer is not working well. Otherwise, I have shown you the plan also. Sorry for that. So circulation space, according to the needs and functional. Dead space means the under the store. I have to talk about the storages. That is under the column or a staircase, overhead cabinets. So we have talked about the negative and positive space. And anything else? Yeah, Shana.
Elements.
We have talked about them. Yes, we have talked about the elements.
Bedroom requirements.
Bedroom requirements.
So residential and commercial also we have covered up somewhat.
Dead
So
space.
residential area, dead space we have
Dumping space.
dumping space. That is that space, the store you can say, because we are using the store at that space, that is dead space. Dead space is used as a store because in 6 months or yearly you have the that things you have to use them. So we are using that space that we have to circulation space, right? That is Nitika. Nitika, good. Anything else we have discussed and I forgot to say?
Utility area management.
Utility area management, right? So there is a space of under Miss just now we are having the space under the Miss volume of a window also we can take it window. So how the space will cover our things, जहाँ जहाँ पे विंडोज होगी वहां से लाइट आएगी, राइट? तो हाउ मच लाइट इज कवर्ड बाय अस, तो कैसे अपन स्पेस अपन डिफाइन करेंगे? अगर मुझे फोकस करना है मेरे स्टडी पे, तो आई विल गिव माय स्टडी स्पेस नियर द विंडो, राइट? कि whenever the light goes also, कभी लाइट हुई नहीं हुई, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हुई नहीं हुई, I can just open my window and I can sit it over there and I can have my coffee or study over there, right? तो कभी कभार रिक्वायरमेंट्स अपनी लाइट्स कैसे यूज होगी, सनलाइट कैसे यूज होगी, एयर सर्कुलेशन कैसे यूज होगी, कहाँ पे अपनी बैठने की जगह है, कहाँ पे अपनी सोने की जगह है, दैट आल्सो मैटर्स इन स्पेस. तो स्पेस अपने को ये चीज अपने को भी ये भी ध्यान में रखना पड़ता है कि अगर सपोज ये चीज है तो डार्क कॉर्नर कहाँ फॉर्म हो रहा है, डार्कनेस कैसे आ रही है अपने रूम में, कहाँ से लाइट आ रही है, तो दैट आल्सो मैटर्स अ लॉट बाय डिजाइनिंग द स्पेस. Okay, every time you can't have a generator, every time you can't have electricity. Sometimes it is happens that you are not having it. That is a 1% or 0.01%. But you have to take care of that thing because you are a designer. तो जब अपन स्पेस प्लानिंग करते हैं तो दैट इज अ very very minute things you have to take under. So when you're getting up, how you work it from getting up. जैसे कि we have designed a residential area. I have asked each and every single person. मैं इतने से आपके 2-3 घंटे में एक तरह से कह रहे हैं ना पूरा इंटीरियर डिजाइन का कोर्स आपको करवा दें. आई थिंक सो. जब अपने है ना एंटर होते हैं उन लोग के जैसे कि 6 मेंबर्स का एक फैमिली था. दे आर हैविंग 2 सन, 1 मदर इन लॉ एंड 1 कपल मास्टर. अब उनकी एक तरह से अपने प्लानिंग पे डिस्कस करते हैं. So we have started planning. We have discussed about the requirements. Each and everyone is having that. I was shocked having a 50 to 60 things list out for their wardrobes. 50 to 60 things means they are having the track pants, different ties. Then scarf, then full sweaters, half sweaters. They have listed a list. I have having in my office. I will show you. They have listed many things, and every time they are coming and talking about this thing is right way. My speech is going to be right. No, Mama, I'll be having the left. We have given the 3 ways this system because sometimes they said we doesn't want to wake up and stand up and switch on the different side. अगर मैं राइट साइड सो रही हूँ तो मुझे लेफ्ट साइड से ऑपरेट नहीं करना, अगर मैं लेफ्ट साइड सो रही हूँ तो मुझे राइट साइड से ऑपरेट नहीं करना. ये भी हमारे लिए पहला नया था कि इतना भी लोगों को चलना नहीं है. That was my first time. I have heard this thing also, that sitting on the bed but don't want to operate from the right side or left side. So that also you have to decide it. You are sleeping at the right side or who is going to operate the switch at the night time. So sometimes we are asking this question also, included in my studies also. When we are asking the requirements, अब हमने ये भी include कर दिया कि आप भाई कौन operate करने वाला है switch और कौन कहाँ पे सोने वाला है, वहीं पे हम लोग switch board देंगे. अगर you are having the 2-way switch system according to the comfort level. Good, Nikita. So afterwards they have given me so much list कि हम लोग gym bags भी हमारे अलग हैं, हमारे हम लोग स्केटिंग जाते हैं, देन बैडमिंटन जाते हैं, टेनिस के लिए जाते हैं, रैकेट्स, तो हमारा स्टोरेज बहुत ज़्यादा है। और फिर हमारे फ्रेंड सर्कल्स भी है, तो वी हैव लिस्टेड द थिंग्स एंड स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द, हम लोग को जाए तो हम लोग बाहर ही हैं, अंदर एंटर हुए तो हमारा सामान रख सके, और हम लोग जब बाहर जाए तो हम लोग अपना लेकर जा सके। तो वी हैव ह्यूज वार्डरोब ओवर अ एंट्रेंस। वहाँ पे हमने जिम की सारी फैसिलिटीज उनको बताई, जैसे कि उनका जितने भी स्टोरेज है, तो उनके बैग्स है, जिम बैग्स है, उनके एसेसरीज है रिलेटेड टू द जिम। तो वहाँ पे जैसे रैकेट्स हैं, जैसे उनके काफी कवर्स हैं, ग्लव्स हैं, अम्ब्रेला, हेलमेट्स, whatever they are using. So they are having the huge list. According to that, we have designed it and we have given whole gallery as passage जैसे paneling में design किया है. We have designed that panel, whole wardrobe like that. Then the secondary, they come to us for the first of all, we have decided to for a use this TV room. I have told them this is a TV room. This is not a you can say the theater over here, small TV room, theater, right? So because there are 10-15 बार changes हुए कि according to budget they wanted कि हम लोग को speakers भी चाहिए, हम लोग को तभी we are having a small space for the TV room, because make it a TV room because acoustical materials आएंगे, then that will also take this place of 3 inches, because we have to panel with acoustical. जब आप TV बनाते हो तो आपके echo करती sound, तो उसके हिसाब से वो भी आपके स्पेस आजकल तो काफी acoustic वेव आपके 3 mm में भी अवेलेबल होने लगे, लेकिन स्पीकर्स दे हैव द स्पेस। तो ये अपनी छोटी छोटी, मैं इधर ये चीज बताना चाह रही थी कि आपकी ये स्पेस भी आपकी इंक्लूड होती है। जब आप वॉल्स डिजाइन करते हो तो आप पैनलिंग करते हो तो वो भी 3-3 इंच ले लेती है। तो आप अपनी स्पेस को कितना बिगर बना रहे हो या छोटा बना रहे हो, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू। तो आप एस्थेटिक के हिसाब से आप है ना डिजाइन कर रहे हो या फंक्शनल डिजाइन कर रहे हो, वो चीज आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है। अब जैसे कि हम लोग डिजाइन करते हैं सीलिंग, तो अपने 3.5 से 4 इंच तो अपने वैसे ही चली जाती है, 4 इंच कॉमन। अगर अपने लेयर्स में प्ले कर रहे हैं तो और जाएगा 5 to 6 इंचेस। तो अपने एक तरह से हाइटेड होनी चाहिए चीजें, एक्सप्लोर होनी चाहिए चीजें, उसकी स्पेस जितनी मेंटेन है, आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स फुलफिल करते हुए, फंक्शनल रहना अपने फुलफिल करते हुए डिजाइनिंग होनी चाहिए। एस्थेटिक लाओ, लेकिन एस्थेटिक आपका कहाँ, सबसे बेसिक नीड है स्पेस। स्पेस का अगर आपको सबसे बेस्ट आपने है ना प्लेसमेंट दे दिया और सबसे बेस्ट चीज आपने कर दी, जिसके आपके नेगेटिव स्पेस, तो इसलिए पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हम लोग प्ले करते हैं। पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव से आपको पता चल जाता है कि आप कितना भर रहे हैं, कितना हैवी कर रहे हैं और कितनी अपनी नेगेटिव स्पेस अपने को दिख रही है। तो यू आर बैलेंसिंग दैट स्पेस। तो आपका बैलेंस कहाँ पे होता है, जब आप पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव में प्ले करते हैं। अगर मैं बहुत सारे फर्नीचर दे दिए तो नेगेटिव स्पेस में इतनी सी दिख रही है, तो दैट इज बैलेंस, आई डोंट थिंक। अगर मैंने बहुत प्रोपोर्शन में मैंने बैलेंस किया कि हाँ जस्ट आई एम कीपिंग इन वन लाइन एंड हियर आई एम कीपिंग माय स्पेस ऑफ ओन थिंग, राइट, एंड आई एम गेटिंग द बिग स्पेस इन बिटवीन, सो आई एम बैलेंसिंग द थिंग्स। प्रोपोर्शन क्या होना चाहिए, कोई चीज का स्पेस में ये भी चीज होती है, कलर भी बहुत अच्छे से प्ले करते हैं। इसलिए मैंने बहुत ज्यादा वाइब्रेंट कलर ले लिया, रेड कलर, एंड आई एम गिविंग द स्मॉल स्पॉट ऑफ द व्हाइट कलर एट वन सिंगल। मेरा फोकस कहाँ चला गया, वो स्पेस, ठीक है, वो रेड के अंदर व्हाइट एक अलग से दिखता है, राइट। और कहीं पे मैंने व्हाइट एकदम पूरा बैकग्राउंड ड्रॉ है ना कर दिया, और कहीं पे मैंने खाली रेड कलर का मैंने करना कर दिया सिंबॉलिक। तो फोकल पॉइंट में वो हो गया। तो फोकस आप कहाँ दे रहे हो, वो भी स्पेस आपकी डिफाइन हो सकती है विद द कलर्स। एक छोटा सा गुलाब बोलते हैं ना, पूरा कोट पहना है नेहरू जी ने, लेकिन एक गुलाब उनका कैसा हाईलाइट होता है। तो दैट इज द थिंग, प्रपोर्शन। प्रपोर्शन इज अ थंब रूल कि how you are playing with that thing. So each and every moment, again, space and function, space and function. जहाँ पर स्पेस अच्छे से प्लेसमेंट हो गई, फंक्शनली हो गई, रिक्वायरमेंट्स के हिसाब से हो गई, एस्थेटिक अपने आप आ जाएगी। क्योंकि सिंपल लाइन्स जो जितनी सोबरनेस लाती है, जितनी मेंटेन होती है, जितनी नीटनेस लाती है, उतने कर्व्स नहीं लाते। कर्व्स यू हैव टू मेंटेन, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू गिव अ पैनल और समथिंग लाइक दैट। क्योंकि अगर डर्टी कर्व्स होंगे तो डर्टी डिजाइन लगेगी। कर्व्स के अंदर आपने देखा है कभी कितने भी आप है ना मिस मोल्डिंग्स की होती है डिजाइन, तो एवरी टाइम डस्ट वहाँ पे है ना जमा हो जाता है. So that space also matters. You are creating that space in partitions or something. That is very good. Aesthetically बहुत अच्छी लगती है, लेकिन आजकल कितने जन के पास इतना टाइम है कि they can maintain that grounding and all that. जो सिंप्लिसिटी में, जो सिंपल लाइंस में, जो मेंटेनेंस है, मैं इसलिए ज्यादातर कहती हूँ कि हॉरिजॉन्टल में सरफेस ही नहीं देना चाहती आउटसाइड, क्योंकि अपने इंडियंस की मेंटलिटी है कि हॉरिजॉन्टल स्पेस देने से यू आर कीपिंग ऑल द डम्प्स ओवर देयर. अरे आई पर्स निकाला रखा, दिस मैंने मेरे इवन आई एम हैविंग दैट हैबिट, ठीक है. मेरी मेंटलिटी है अरे यार अपने को प्लैंक मिला है तो वहां पे रख दो, ठीक है. ओपन स्पेस है, क्लीन है, नीट है, इट इज लाइक अ ट्रे यू आर ऑफरिंग देम. आओ कीप मी, आई विल कीप दिस, शी विल शाउट कीप मी, कीप दिस. So each and everything when you are giving it a space, तो आपको mentally prepare होना चाहिए how it is going to be look afterwards. तो मैंने एक तो ना अपने डिजाइनिंग में से तो क्रॉस मार दिया, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव अ हॉरिजॉन्टल स्पेस आउटसाइड because it is a tray for everyone. For the dust also you are inviting that thing. And each and every day the maid is not going to maintain that thing. You have to maintain. 2 months now, I think so everybody had faced that problem. Lockdown period. Mama ने बहुत काम करवाया होगा. Clean that space. I think so. Everybody enjoyed that 2 months cleaning.
Yeah, man.
So wherever you are going to keep that place open is going to invite all the things over rubbish over there. You are interior designer, so you have to minutely, you have to take care. You are giving that 1 inch place, you are giving that 1 inch corner, you are giving that 1 inch style, you are giving it a 6 mm corners or 6 mm grooves or something like that. You are playing with the grooves, you are playing with the machinery works also sometimes. So whatever you are playing it, that is occupying the space, that how is going you are going to maintain that place, and what purposefully you are inviting that place. This if I am inviting that seeing that entrance foyer, I am giving that a place for the this shoe rack, right? Shoe racks के लिए अपने place दे दी, then I am giving a platform over there. Yes, I am giving some aesthetic purpose. Some kind of pots over there or something like that, right? और अगर मैंने पूरा पैनल बना दिया तो मेरा वो टॉप निकल गया, I doesn't have to maintain that top, right? और मैंने एक कॉर्नर में है ना फिर रख दिया मैंने अपना जो भी अपना वेलकमिंग एलिमेंट रखना है, एलिफेंट, मार्बल एलिफेंट और पॉट और समथिंग कॉपर और कॉपर डिश ट्रे और वॉट एवर इट वाज. कॉपर थ्रोज द नेगेटिव एनर्जी. अगर कभी कॉपर यूज करो ना, अच्छा है एंट्रेंस में यूज करने के लिए. आई एम यूजिंग इन द एंट्रेंस डोर. इट थ्रोज द नेगेटिव एनर्जी. अपने डेली ऊपर करते हैं दैट आल्सो थ्रोज द नेगेटिव एनर्जी. ये वास्तुशास्त्र में ये सब इम्प्लीमेंट्स होते हैं और पहले भी बनते थे. तो क्यों बनते थे? अब आगे पीछे आप मिस दोनों तरफ क्यों गणपति देते हो? बिकॉज कि वो है ना मिस पीछे बोलते हैं कि बोलते बैड इज गणपति का बैक नहीं दिखना चाहिए, इसलिए अपन दोनों तरफ देते हैं गणपति. तो वन साइड पे नहीं देते हैं, दरिद्रता होती है यू कैन से. इसलिए कभी भी देखना दोनों साइड होगा, while you are entering and while you are going outside. हर एक चीज के मीनिंग होते हैं, हर एक चीज वैल्यूज होती है. यस,
Can you please repeat that in English, ma'am? I didn't get it.
which one? Which
Just
one?
now, ma'am, something back because I don't understand Hindi much. So can you please repeat that, ma'am?
Okay. When you are placing the Ganesha, you should place both the side according to the Vastu Shastra. Because one side is placed is not good for the other side. Vastu Shastra says. Right? Now you can understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, thank you.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what should
That's
we
why
prefer
according to the
more in for
like it is
panels
a
or platform?
huh?
What
Pardon?
should we prefer more in for panels or platform?
Panels and platform.
Yeah, ma'am.
I should prefer panels. And if I am giving the space for the sitting for this, so this shoes, if we are getting the laces, we want the space for the sitting also, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that, so we want that space also, so we can keep it to the foldable. Otherwise, we can go the maintenance free. Means like we can use a natural stone over there, like a granite or something like that. So it can be maintained. Food
Okay.
also put it, right?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
foldable.
Yes, ma'am.
My focus is to maintain less, look beautiful, and to have a neatness and spacious environment wherever the surroundings are there. Means wherever you design it, that surrounding should be neat and tidy. If you are placing a line also, you're not giving any pattern in a single color also. But it is so unique that I can't express in words because neatness is there. Your corrected place for the space you have designed it. Means where is the reception is going to come, where is your owner's office is going to come, where is the accountant office is going to come. The placement should be right. Movement should be free. Then your space is very nice. Your requirement should be fulfilled. It should be a healthy environment. If I'm in too many furniture, then it is not good. If too much less, it is not good. So it should be in balance. Only my requirements. If I'm a two-person, we are living two-person. So according to that, I should have a furniture. Somebody come, yeah, up to 4 they can sit over there or 6. I don't want to just occupy the space. So how many persons are living over there in the residential area and how it is used? Means many parties are going on like that. You have to design it. Yeah, okay, means something foldable or like that tables you have to design it. Some stacked chairs you have to design it because weekly parties are going on. If anybody is going to come at Diwali or Holi, then it's okay. They can manage. Or 2 person are living up till 6, we are giving it. Right? So space matters is in each and every value. Today's designing is like that. We are not designing for ourselves. We are designing for others. It is not my place. It is for the others because we are designing as a symbol, status symbol. We are not designing for ourselves. वो आएगा ना तो पता चलना चाहिए कि हाँ कि मैं इतना अमीर हूँ. My status symbol. I'm not designing for my comfort, for the functional. I'm designing for the others. Okay, how rich I am and what I can afford. So please doing that thing. Stop doing that thing. It's your place. It's your needs. It's you are going to use it 365 days. Then why you are giving preference to the others? They are going to have 1 night or 2 nights, or they are going to have come on this Diwali or Holi. But we are giving as an Indian mentality. We are giving preference to them. They are going for 1 or 2 days. We are having a beautiful living area. We are having a beautiful unit at the living area. If we are not comfortable in inside our bedroom also, but living area is going to be focused. So that's why more things we are going to keep over here because it is a status symbol. Until and up till we are not going to take our bedroom, nobody is going to come inside, right? But they are up till the living room, everybody is going to come. So stop doing that thing. In my case, I'm forcing them, this is your area, don't see others thinking what they are using it and how they are using it. Their lifestyle is different. We are using disposals. No, we are creating stores, cutleries, units. Day by day, we are increasing our storages from 40,000 to 60 lakhs. We are having our kitchen layouts and all that. For home, for 2%, 60 lakhs. But it is going on. So until we designer doesn't focus on these things, okay, we should say, okay, you are living, what is your lifestyle? What is your thinking? How you live? You live in too close also. So you need a storage very small. If you are having a very large, that's I have discussed first. We are having the so many things. I have to list it down. From some 15 to 17 drawers, slims I have made it over there. For the small things, this tie, fingers, nets, hair, buckles and all that. Each and every things we have made it in drawer. So कोई ऐसे clients भी होते हैं they need each and everything should be separated and they can discuss. So perfumes also they have many items they have stated that I have never heard it before. So such a small things they are entering this when I am getting up, I need a key. So I don't want to go up to the kitchen. I need it in the bedroom only. So we have provided a kettle switchboard over there. So he can have a Betty over there only. So space created by the user functions. Space is created by the user. कोई भी चीज को मैं कवर कर दूंगी दैट विल अ स्पेस. अगर मैं स्टोर रूम बना रही हूँ, किचन बना रही हूँ, यूटिलिटी एरिया बना रही हूँ, बेडरूम बना रही हूँ, लिविंग रूम, ऐसे एवरीथिंग इज स्पेस. किसी चीज को भी जैसे बताया सबसे पहले कि वॉल्यूम बना दिया गया, दैट इज अ स्पेस वी हैव क्रिएटेड. उसके अंदर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वी आर प्लेइंग इट. वी आर सीइंग द सर्कुलेशन स्पेस. वी आर सीइंग द कंफर्ट्स. कि मैं उठ रही हूँ तो वहीं पे मैंने नीचे तो टेबल नहीं लगा दिया एंड वी हैव प्लान्ड ओवरहेड कैबिनेट्स ओवर देयर. व्हेन आई एम गेटिंग अप आई एम गॉटिंग अ हार्ट ओवर देयर. So each and everything should be replaced. Placement should be correct. Systematically standardized. And your lighting effect is also very necessary. The placement of the light. Where do you need a regular light? Means in kitchen you would need a sunlight. So when you are cooking, you can have your stove over there. So each and everything according to the function, it needs a space, proper space. And the dead stock should be in the dead storage space. Under the staircase, above cabinets, behind the small space around the columns and all that. You can dig it at up to 2 inches also. And you can have 5 inches place over there. Right? So these are the small spaces you can create in the bathrooms and dressing tables, and even you are having the hanging of habit of clothes when you are wearing it and you're hanging the clothes in the back side of the door, right? Some of them, I think so 60-70% of the public are doing these things. So you can create that panels over there and that will be hidden. We can have a hangers over there that can be hidden. That needs only 2 to 3 inches. And it will look nice also. So how to use 2-3 inches place, how to dig out and take it up to the 3 to 4, 5 inches place, and how to create the circulation space, how to focus on the focal point. Focus on the means you wanted कि ये space को पता चलना चाहिए कि अंदर enter होते कि ये इस चीज की दुकान है. So that space should define that thing. Whether it is a garment shop, whether it is a salon, right? तो एक एक चीज है ना, चीज अपने को डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा. तो वो स्पेस ही है जिससे वो चीज, मैंने वॉल की स्पेस ले ली है. I have created that wall into mirror. और उसके ऊपर मैंने कुछ टेक्सटाइल्स के कर दिए, तो हाँ किसी को भी आएगा तो हाँ ये टेक्सटाइल्स की है। और कहीं पर भी कुछ मॉडलिंग टाइप में मैंने पिक्चर चिपका दिया, एंड हाँ दिस इज अ सैलून ओवर हियर, राइट? If I am having the kids and walking through this kids showroom, garments showroom, right? This vessels है, vessels का आ गया display something. तो ये इस तरह से lighting है, तो I am having the different kinds of lighting. Websites है, designers हैं, brokers हैं, brokers के काफी costly and sofa and also बहुत warm welcoming kind of interiors होगा उनका, because उनका हमेशा group sitting होता है. So they need a place for the 6 to 7 members can sit and attend at one place in owner's office. Again यहाँ पे space आ गई. बाकी और कहीं पे आप जो इसके डिजाइनिंग ऑफिस है, three maximum. Okay, we are not having the so much big huge office, right? Common. I'm talking about the common platform. Up till 3 we are giving it visitors chair, right? 1 boss chair and 3 visitors. So this each and everything is depend on the person, on the budget, on the time, and which area. अब आर्किटेक्चर व्यू से देखेंगे तो सब लोग एरिया है ना देखेंगे कि भाई ये एरिया में ये वाली स्पेस अच्छी है, वहां पे बिक्री होगी, बिकॉज देयर आर फुटफॉल ओवर देयर. फुटफॉल, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फुटफॉल. तो वो स्पेस अपने लेंगे तो वो है दैट कि उसके 4-5 और भी दुकानें हैं जो आगे पहले से गारमेंट्स के लिए चल रही है, तो दैट इज अ फोकस पॉइंट एंड दैट कि वहां पे एक और गारमेंट की शॉप के, तो ऑलरेडी दैट इज इन द ट्यून. तो स्पेस डिफरेंट. अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि अपने दिमाग में क्या आया पहले, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द फोकस पॉइंट वाज दैट कि ये दिस इज अ फुटफॉल ओवर देयर, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग दैट प्लेस. तो वहां पे आपको ज्यादा कर है ना, मिस टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली द मटेरियल्स, दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली मटेरियल्स दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, बिकॉज वहां पे ऑलरेडी है. अभी अपने को आपको फोकस करना है, अब स्पेस पे फोकस करना है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पेस, वी आर डिजाइनिंग द गारमेंट्स शॉप, राइट? And nobody is there, and that is a no footfall over there. How we'll create that space? Something the designers अपने पास आए ना डिजाइनिंग, this is now it will come designing, right? अब वो स्पेस को कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे? How we'll create that space कि वहां पर फोकस पॉइंट भी हो, प्लस अपने डिजाइनिंग के हिसाब से फोकस इस तरह से दें कि अपने वाइब्रेंट कलर्स के हिसाब से, या फिर अपने कुछ यूनिक डिजाइन हो, समथिंग लाइक दैट के नेवर कैन बी टॉट लाइक दैट के यहाँ के पेपर्स से समथिंग इज डिफरेंट इसमें. तो कोई टाइम पे क्या होता है कि यू आर नॉट हैविंग दैट, लेकिन डिफरेंट डिजाइनिंग इंटीरियर्स होते हैं, तो कभी कभी अपने उस तरफ मिस दिमाग रहते हैं, हाँ यार यहाँ पे रेड इंटीरियर्स देखा था, समथिंग लाइक दैट, कुछ अलग ही. तो कभी वो फोकस नहीं होते हुए भी फोकस में आ जाता है. तो हर टाइम इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि कहीं पर फुटफॉल होते है, इट इज डिपेंड्स ऑन यू आल्सो कि हाउ वी आर क्रिएटिंग द स्पेस एंड गिविंग टू योर ओनर्स. स्पेस में सबसे ज्यादा 5-6 पॉइंट्स ही रहते हैं, एंड बेसिक फोकस इज ऑन स्पेस ओनली. Until up till you doesn't plan a real focus on the space, there will be never a good designing. बेड की जगह अगर मैं स्टडी टेबल रख दिया, स्टडी टेबल की जगह पे मैंने है ना टॉयलेट डिजाइन कर दिया, टॉयलेट की डिजाइन की जगह पे मैंने ड्रेसिंग टेबल रख दिया, हाउ इट विल बी लुकिंग? हाँ, but I have used many in the Korean material I have used it, and teakwood I have used for the bed, and this total Korean laminated ceiling, alabasters on the walls, paneling, all the costly material I have used it, but I have not placed it at the right place. I have not placed it at the right place. So the space matters over here. When I'm entering, oof, it's bad over here, I'm going to bang over here. When I'm entering to toilet, I'm getting the dressing. Oof, again I'm going to bang over there. So space matters again. Each right positions on the space, you create a space. You create a volume. Whenever you see a volume, not a bed, not a dressing, not a table, not a study table. You should see each and everything as a one cube. From flooring to ceiling and for all the corners. Up till and your vision is not clear whenever you will see the one vision. This is the elevation. This is the front elevation. This is the side elevation. This is the upside. This is the corner. Not like that. Every time visualize the cube. If you visualize the cube, then you will be able to see from front, side, ceiling, flooring, right? Back side, right? Even sections. Above cabinet, below cabinets, walking. So you should be vision in cube. Not only focusing on others. I'm going to enter and this wall should be focused and only the bed should be like this and the dressing should be like this. But after giving all this differently, then sometimes just mash up. Sometimes you realize, sometimes you are designed like that. You're focused on one thing, then everything is mash up afterwards. Sometimes it happens, I think so. I have done mistake. I don't know whether you have done or not because you are very brilliant, all of them. I don't know, but you know. Each and every person I am recognizing you.
No, ma'am,
Even the elevation line is also so clear. I have taken one jury of yours. I was impressed. You are not able to write it properly also. But that time I was having a soft corner for you. Otherwise I can throw it off. All of them. No one was ready for the jury. Now never I will come again for here. This is for the first and last time I am attending your class. Because this time what you have done is not correct. If I value from heart. If I don't value, I don't want to see you. And this is my passion. I'm not wasting my time. Because each and everything what I have experienced that I'm sharing with you. I'm not a lecturer. I'm practical. Because theory and practicals are totally different from your real life. What you are saying and what you are doing on the papers and when you are existing at a site, that is totally different and that is a very hard task. You can't imagine talking to laborers every time, convincing to your clients. It's a very hard life. It's not an easy task. If you are attracted to your passions, then and then only go and do your studies properly. Otherwise, don't waste money. Your father and mother, they have given you the opportunity. Take it as a golden chance. This golden chance never comes again. चलो चलो आपने बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस हो गए. Let it in the light board. इसलिए बोलती हूँ मैंने जो अपने साथ अनुभव किया है इसलिए मैं बता रही हूँ. पढ़ने के लिए भी बहुत कम समय मिला है, जितना है ना ग्रैब कर लो कि बहुत कम है। अभी भी मैं सीख ही रही हूँ, मुझे अभी तक नहीं आता है। जस्ट नाउ ऑल्सो आई एम लर्निंग। मेरे गुरु हैं, वो हमेशा मुझे, यकीन नहीं करोगे, मैंने 3 महीने तक एक बाथरूम डिजाइन किया, 3 मंथ्स कंटिन्यूसली, 1 बाथरूम, और वो भी 1 वॉश बेसिन। 3 मंथ्स कंटिन्यूसली 1 वॉश बेसिन, कि 1 इंच कम होने से कितना मैं टैप्स दे सकती हूँ, ऊपर से दे सकती हूँ, साइड से दे सकती हूँ, आगे दे सकती हूँ। 2 इंच अगर मैं अंदर करती हूँ तो मेरी 2 इंच की और स्पेस खुल जाएगी मेरी, है ना। वो मिस डोर की है ना प्लानिंग के लिए जो हमारी स्पेस थी बहुत कंजेस्टेड है। इट वाज जस्ट 2 feet 3 inches, and we have to open the door with the wash basin inside. That was a very great challenge to us. So 3 months continuously, each Endura weight ke simple each and every brand of a wash basin I have make it practically to come over, take the measurements. Every time I am drawing it, every time I was taking up pictures, again I am discussing with my guru, and again I am coming back, he's saying no, this is not right, again you have to do it. So that exercising, how I am digging it out, how I am carving the walls, how I am keeping this, when you are the urinals should be placed, how I am doing that thing also. 2-3 inches again I am carving out so I can get the space for the circulation space. That was the matter of the circulation, how you are going to enter to the WC. And that was the space we have to give the WC, we have to give the wash basin over here, and we have to give the urinals over here. And the fourth one is the door circulation, the space of the door. It should be also open fully. So that was a very big challenge for me. Just 3 months, I remember my whole life that I have done it for the wash basin. Last 3 months, I have, whenever the 3 months were completing, I said, no, sir, we should break the wall only. Because wash basin is not going to come over here. Because 1 inch dig out, now matter only 2 inches left. Now what to do, sir? I said, again you can dig it out and you can have a cemented sheet over there. I go, wow, sir, 18 mm cemented sheet, you can cover it and you can have a wash basin over there. But that was an excellent exercise I had ever done in my life. That day, I have learned how we should manage the space. For it's a very small thing. I have done it, but I remember it. Just now, many projects I am doing it. Like in that space, I am remembering that what my guru have done with me. That time I was so foolish. What, yaar? 1 inch आगे या 1 inch पीछे क्या matters रखता है यार? We can have a panel or we can have, अरे 1 inch door कम करवा देंगे यार, क्या होगा? It doesn't matter. लेकिन मुझे सर ने बहुत अच्छा लेसन दिया, बहुत, I remember that thing, कि वो चीज मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगी कि he has taught me how we should manage in the small space. Tap matters, tap inches matters, from above, on the wall basin, from the wall, basin matters. Wall hung, platform matters, space matters again. Urinals, how your placement? Are you able to, comfortable, you are standing, you are going to move, you can move around. Space matters. Because while operating this wash basin, you should not hurt backside. While using the urinals, men should not hurt this side. While opening the door, you should have a clean space. That should not be touched surroundings. Space matters. So space is a very big thing. It is not an aesthetic material. It is not a aesthetic, or it is visualized. It's not a protective thing you can catch or something like that. Space is a vision. So you can observe it, you can see it, you can create a vision, you can have a focus on that thing. अगर कुछ वाइब्रेंट कलर भी होगा ना, 10 दुकानों के अंदर से एक के अंदर पूरा फुल वाइट ताजमहल जैसा होगा एंड बाकी सब ब्लैक हो गए, स्पेस मैटर। अरे वो वाली स्पेस देखे थे, वहां पर व्हाइट कलर का था। So sometimes it's eye catching. It is again I am saying that here circulation space के लिए and positive negative. So each and every function, जो भी functional you are designing it, focus on that thing, plan it. Take month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever. But design according to their needs. Not like that, just you have to have panelings, just you have to waste your money on that thing. You can have just a simple single line furniture in your room. If you don't have a storage, is much more. It can give a lightness to your room. Very easy, very natural. So sometimes surroundings also matters. The environment also matters. If you want to do exercise on space, just take a one single thing, one room. Design it where is the dead space, right? You can exercise yourself. Just say, okay, I have done it for a bathroom, 3 months. Single layer I have carved out, and single inch I have carved out. Say, each and every urinous I have measured it. Each and every length I have measured it. Each and every depth I have measured it. So here also I have started from the 12 inches, the corner, then 8 inches, 9 inches, depth, not depth. So each and every layer, and that is also a very good challenge for me. That was behind it, exactly it was a column over there. So we are not able to count over there also. So sometimes we have done it the niche over that only the 4 or 5 inch I can count it and I can fit it only the wash basin. So it is a very great thing when you will exercise and you will very have interest if you are having the passion, not a singing a song over here. If you are having a great passion, then and then only you can do this exercise. You will enjoy it. What I can do, how I can create that space, how I can focus on this. It is very interesting. Try it once. Take a one thing. If you want, you can take a bathroom like me. So take a office, otherwise residential, otherwise entrance foyer. Entrance foyer also you are having the circulation spaces, shoe racks. Then again you are having the entertainment where you can have these hobbies and all that you can keep outside. You can have create that space that they can't come inside, and you are having that one corner for them, right? So how the dead spaces and the stores and all that, so you can create it and you can work it. Right. Try to innovate that space and try to carve it and see all the walls, windows, walls. That you are having sometimes windows and you are having that dead wall over there, and you are having the backside space. You can use that space also for the storages. In Ratna Jyoti, I have cut out I have break that walls. This about this windows, and I have created the book storages over there. Yeah, having you up till 2 feet you can extend it. MS stands, and you are having the washing areas also. Na? You are extending for that tagar and all that buckets and all that you are keeping outside. You are extending with the MS stand. You are extending with the MS stand, and you are having the slidings. Most of them are having in the buildings and flats. Washed areas. Up till 2 feet you are having the shajja and you are having this clothes. That is a dead space. I'm talking about the dead space. Only it is not allowed at the food space is coming. Food space यानी कि जब means you are using that food inside that will, तो फिर आपका space बढ़ेगा. That is not allowed. Food space is not allowed. But if your food is not entering, if till the 9 inches, I'm not going to enter my food. So about that, about the 9-inch wall or the 2 feet wall, I can extend up to the 2 feet. Just we are extending up to the 2 feet, right? 2 feet तक का छज्जा होता है नहीं balconies में and wash areas में सब. So you can extend that thing. You can use that. Is I'm talking about the dead space. So you can create whatever you wanted. Anything else? Do one exercise, and whoever are interested, take my number and show me.
Ma'am, is it
Pardon?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm asking, is it correct to use the half of the wall for sitting purpose? Like we are having a complete 12 feet walls, and we can get a section there by 4 inch by 4 inch for a sitting purpose, to have a tea or a coffee, like rather than using a dining like sitting chair or table around. Can we use such section in the wall?
Yes, you can. And just now you can see that some of the windows are coming with the shutters or the tilted windows. You can just sit it and you can tilt it and you can have a balcony kind of view over there.
Yes, ma'am, we can use there in the balcony, but what if there is no balcony and it is a complete closed wall for the next level also?
You can have a, we are giving the Indian settee kind of thing over there. You can have a settee kind of thing and you can use that place for the sitting.
Okay, so ma'am, will it affect, like if we are providing a section there, so will it affect on the wall like or the
doing this,
the load transferring effect of the other element to the other like ऊपर से जो load transfer के लिए हम जो wall provide करते हैं, so will it affect on that also?
See, whenever you are breaking or something like that, you have to see the civil structure first of all. Civil structure is where the your column is located, where your beams are located. That is your first criteria. You have to see all the plans. Then after you can break the wall. Wall can be break, but columns and beams can't be transferred. And
okay,
you can't
and
break the columns and beams over there. That is restricted.
Okay, ma'am. And
So
if we are
whenever you do
providing,
the civil work, that is the main point. Whenever you do the civil work, you should go through the civil structure first of all. Then and then only you can break the wall.
okay, ma'am. And is it necessary to provide there a sill or a lintel type of structure there, like where we are?
That requires, and sometimes it is Miss Society. You have to take the permission also that whether in the elevation they are allowed or not. Because we are every time we are taking the permissions, we are going through this civil structure, and afterwards we are going to designing that space. If we are creating something like that, that is a main elevation of the building, that it is not permitted. These are the small points. When you will come in the practical use, then you will come to know each and everything.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody, if they are interested in, we are going to come with a color kitchen topic. 5th September, I'm going to start. I'm going to take a 5 series of color kitchen. In that, I'm going to relate the things with the health of the ladies, those who are working in kitchen, and how to use their space related to the kitchen storages, how we should give the storages, how it should be the working style, and what we should necessary in the kitchen, basic requirements of the kitchen. So comfortable, functionally, it should be. And you are designing for yourself again or for the others, that we have to keep in mind. and then we are going to design it. So anybody, if they are interested, then they can come to our page, that is Your Way Interiors, and register over there. We are coming on the 5th September at 5 p.m. So it will be detailed and to be interested, and we are going to have a conversation also. And if you are having some good ideas or you are thinking that it should be there, so we can contribute that also, and you can have also queries or questions like that. If we are having some problems related to kitchen, it should be maintained like that, or it should be sitting, or it should be standing. So all the questions should be interpreted. It is a big platform we are giving to give all of them, all the designers, all the ladies, those who are working there in the kitchen, right? Thank you.
100%, ma'am. We will be there, and it was very nice, very fantastic sessions. स्पेस बहुत ही मायने रखता है. इंटीरियर एलिमेंट्स का मैं बोलूँ तो सबसे मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, डेट इज स्पेस. अगर स्पेस को हम ठीक से कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे तो कभी भी हम एक अच्छे इंटीरियर डिजाइन नहीं बन सकते. ये बहुत ही एकदम बहुत अच्छे ढंग से आपने एक्सप्लेन किया. बहुत इंटरेक्टिव सेशन था, बहुत ही मजा, मुझे खुद मजा आ रहा था. मैं बिल्कुल ही म्यूट हो चुका था मैं टोटल सेशन, पूरे सेशन के बीच में. काफी अच्छा लगा. एंड एक बहुत सिंपल सा एक एग्जांपल मेरे सामने आ रहा है कि अगर 36 इंच का अगर कोई गेट है और मैंने अगर सोफा या कोई एक, हम लोग घर के अंदर नहीं कभी शिफ्ट करते हैं, तो एक अगर 36 पॉइंट अगर 1 इंच भी का अगर कुछ चीज मिला तो हम उसको अंदर नहीं लेके जा सकते. तो स्पेस आपने जो बताया कि एक इंच मायने रखता है. जो आपने अपना एक्सपीरियंस ही शेयर किया कि एक बाथरूम के अंदर आपने एक 3 मंथ्स लगाया था, वो तो कहीं ना कहीं स्पेस तो है ही. मैम बहुत अच्छा लगा. मतलब स्टूडेंट्स को भी इस चीज को लर्न करना चाहिए, इसके ऊपर 100% एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए और भी इंफॉर्मेशन की स्पेस को लेकर हम किस तरीके से हम प्लान कर सकते हैं. एंड आपके मैम इनपुट्स और भी चाहिए होंगे स्टूडेंट्स को इन फ्यूचर. 100% वी विल कांटेक्ट यू. एंड ये अच्छा, काफी थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दिस फैंटास्टिक सेशन.
थैंक यू सो मच ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. कोई भी चीज बुरी लगी हो तो ठीक है, जब मैं पढ़ाती हूँ तो मुझे भी नहीं अच्छा लगता कि कोई भी मैसेज करे. दैट वाज आई टोटली आई डिड दिस राइट. करो मस्ती, टाइम पे करो, वो भी स्पेस होनी चाहिए.
स्पेस होनी चाहिए, सही बात है.
स्पेस मैटर्स. आपका फंक्शन क्या था अभी यहाँ पे? यू हैव टू स्टडी ओवर. जब मस्ती करेंगे तो बाहर मिलेंगे कॉफी शॉप पे. Right? The space matters. Each matters. Again, I will say. It was a very nice. All of them were very good. और बोलिए.
Thank you.
Thank you again, IDT,
Thank
for
you.
giving me such a good opportunity.
Thank you.
Thanks once again to all of them. Bye bye.